Hi people, so this particular video would be a response to a comment on that one of my videos asking me for tips on how to apply for jobs. And I'm making this video for a particular person because I am grateful that you found my videos helpful and you find my content or my channel helpful. I hope it also helps a lot of people out there that find themselves in such situations. So this was the comment I got under one of my pictures. So she said, I saw a job advert needing hostesses, but I have no experience. Any tip on how to go about it? Well, before we go right into this particular comment, I would like to say that everybody started from somewhere. You don't have to have any kind of experience before starting out. In fact, I don't really advise a formal setting for getting experience. You get experiences on the job. You might hear 1001 advice from here or there, go for trainings and all. They can just give you the basic knowledge that you need, but not necessarily the experience that you need. So from time to time, taking voluntary jobs or serving in wherever place you find yourself would be very, very good to teach you how to have a proper customer service etiquette, know how to handle and deal with people generally, and that's very, very important. So before we dive right into this particular comment and give this person tips on how to work or apply for this job with no experience, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you big time. If you're not and you've not subscribed to my channel yet and you find my channel helpful, this kind of content you would like to watch regularly, kindly click on the subscribe button below and join the family. Get insightful content, everything about event hostessing, event coordinating. So I am Lovina Emmanuel, a simple Nigerian event hostess, event coordinator and event planner in training. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so now basically, first and foremost, having no experience, like I said before, it's not an issue. Starting out and getting experience usually entails you working at a particular place before you get experience. Yes, so you have to know like the nitty-gritty about that job, what it entails for you to be an usher or hostess, what is expected of you as an usher and hostess. And I have a lot of this comment and I have a lot of this content on my channel here. I will dropping links to this content in my bio. Do check it out. So next, applying for a job, almost always you'll be told what to apply with. So for instance, you might be told send in 2 pictures, your statistics, a full picture and headshot, or 2 full pictures, send in your statistics. That's all they want to see. Sometimes they'll tell you send us your pictures and tell us why you would like to work on this job or join this agency. And most times they'll tell you something, they would ask you or tell you to do it this way. So this particular one is what was sent to the person that made this comment in one of my videos. She actually reached out to me on IG. I asked her to further reach out to me. So she reached out to me on IG and she sent me this as the requirement that was expected of her. So it says the candidate should have, amongst other competencies, an experience in the hospitality or customer service sector with at least a high school diploma. They are requesting for a full picture, a short presentation of yourself, stating why you would want to work with us as a host or hostess at the blah 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 blah. So in this particular job application, they are actually requesting for what they want. Most times they just tell you we need to so and so and so. They tell you the physical appearance of what they actually want. They tell you need so and so and so ladies, size 8, 5'9", like in height. You must be able to do this, your location must be this. They specify those things, but apparently in this one they're asking for just the full picture and a short presentation about yourself. So they're telling you to sell yourself to them. Just do that. Send them a picture of you, a very nice picture of you, and I have a video, a short actually, where I stated out the do's and don'ts of the kind of videos you're sending to them. I'll drop the link in my bio also, and make sure they're very clear pictures, they're very nice, dressed nice and everything. But the main focus here is the video presentation. So in this video presentation, you are expected to, of course, tell them your name. Your age is also important. You are expected to also let them know if you're a student of what university, or if not, just let that slide. You tell them about any other thing you think it's important. Then you go down to the traits you possess. I am a hardworking event hostess with experience. I have done this, I have done that. I have empathy for these, for client, for customers, or for guests. I have things like that that would sell you as a good customer service person, or someone that understands customer service, because customer service is very, very key in event ushering and event hostessing. They actually work hand in hand. So if you understand what it is to be very good at customer service, then you're like to go. So you tell them all these things, and then coming back to the very, very important question: why do you want to work with them as an event hostess? So you have to let them know. Most people will tell you just for the finance. So you can tell them that you actually have a value to add, that you have since your experience and you know how to deal with people and make them feel welcome at the event. You promise to give off a very, very memorable event for their guests, alongside delivering excellent service and making their guests feel welcome, giving them what they need, and also being able to work with a reputable agency or company like theirs. So it's actually very good to state that you admire the company you want to work for. This shows that you have a class, you have a standard, and that you know what you are going for. You understand? You're not just going for anybody. This is them that you have like interest in working for. So once you list out these values that you can offer or tend to offer alongside working with the reputable agency, and that should be it. That should be good to go. So once you do this, you submit it, and most of these people or agencies have like routes in which they want you to forward the message to them. So it could be via email, via WhatsApp, via whatever. So once they tell you to forward it, you forward these images. Mind you, your pictures are very, very important. Very important, because that's like the very first encounter with you. That's like the very first encounter with your application. So, oh, they see this very nice picture and this girl is looking lovely. Okay, let's open and let's see what write-up she has made. Or, oh wow, this picture is very lovely, she's nice. Okay, let's see what video she has made. Let's know more about her. But if your pictures are not nice, sorry, they might not even like to open up your application. So it's very, very important that you take note that your picture must be top notch. Like, I cannot overemphasize this. It's actually very, very important. I actually have a video where I spoke about the do's and don'ts, actually a short where I stated the do's and don'ts about the kind of pictures you are expected to and not to send for an application. So if you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it to who you know would need this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.